Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we are in St. Petersburgh, Florida. We are at the Holiday Inn Express. We're going to give you a full review and tour. Stay with us. So this is the Holiday Inn and Express in St. Petersburgh, Florida. A great place to stay if you want to go to the beach or if you want to go to the Tampa Bay Rays game. They each are about 20-25 minutes away. They're not right there, but they're not far away. Now, this is when you go in, this is the lobby, and it's a very pretty lobby. Good size lobby as well. There's the map of Florida. Oh, and here I am. And after I sit for a minute, I have to go to registration. So here I am at registration. I'm going to get my key to go to my room. And we'll show you a little bit around out here first. This is the dining area. I'll show you more of what you eat, but that is the dining area. There is coffee all the time if you want coffee. So, that's always nice to have coffee, and you can see a little bit outside. You can sit outside if you want to right there. There's other places as well. They allow dogs. I want to show you that. This is very dog friendly. And if you need to use a computer, they have one right here. Perfect for you to use, or if you just want to sit, charge things. This is a special room in case you're going to have a convention. There were people in there, so I didn't want to disturb them. And this is a little look at if you need some groceries. They have them near the front desk. So if you need a few things, they don't have a lot, but they have a few. You'll probably find what you need. Now we're going to the room, and this is the bathroom, of course. Nice big mirror. Typical toilet. I mean, what else can you need? Here is the shower. And you can see they have the shampoo and conditioner and body lotion right there. And this is in the bathroom. They also have some things that you might need right there. And Kleenex and everything. And if you need extra toilet paper or a hairdryer, they're over there. And here are the towels. So that's nice. Everything in a shower that's perfect for the family. That's a nice mirror. And after we see the mirror and ourselves, we'll go outside. And you can see this is when you would first walk in. There's a big mirror, place to put something on the left. And on the right here, there is coffee. If you want coffee, if you want to make some coffee in your room, it's like a Keurig, so you can make individual coffees. Here is a microwave, always handy to have that. And here is a small refrigerator freezer, like a dorm type, but it seemed to work. And then here is the bedroom. This is a 2-queen bedroom. Here are cabinets. Of course, they have hangers and an iron, all the things that you're going to need, an ironing board, and I believe they might have a safe down there. And here are the beds. 2 typical beds. Nothing special, nothing bad, all very nice, well done. I mean, very nice and clean. An extra chair. Here is the air conditioning. Here is another chair if you need to sit on that little table. And the mirror, and of course the TV. The TV was a good size. And here are some cabinets. And, you can put your clothes in there or whatever you need to do. Here you go. You want to charge some of your electronics right there. Very nice. You can sit or you can put your luggage there, whatever you want. And over here, there's a telephone and some things to charge. There's also a little clock right there, which is always good because I hate not being able to see the time. And then if you go to the window, you can open the shades. And in our room anyway, I don't know, not every room, but we could see the pool area right there. You can see it's not too big, and it's kind of where the parking lot is, but it's all fenced in, and it's not like anybody could see you. But you can see to the left, there's cars, and there's the fence, and there's a pool. But we will go down to the pool so that you can see it in more detail. Now we're going to show you breakfast. You can have waffles, you can have yogurt, and you can have cereal. And there were eggs, there were turkey sausage, there was pork sausage, there was French toast. I love French toast. So that was good. There's syrup on the side where you can make waffles, or I think you could make pancakes too. They had quite a bit. And then they had desserts, different kinds of danishes and donuts and breads if you need them, and if you need to toast them, whatever you need to do. And they had different kinds of drinks. You could have tea, coffee, or there were several fruit juices, cranberry juice, orange juice, items like that. And then this is where everybody sat. Breakfast was very good, I have to say, one of the better breakfasts. Over here, we're going to walk to the fitness center and show you that. And then we're going to show you the swimming pool area, and an area where you can just sit outside. Maybe you bought some fast food you don't want to eat in the house, you'd rather sit outside, or maybe you can want a barbecue. I think you can make one. We'll take a look. And here we go. Fitness center, open 24 hours. I will take a little walk in and show you what that is like. Here we go. Not too bad. I mean, if you want to walk and watch TV, what do you want to do? You know, it's not big, but that's what workouts rooms are like in most hotels, and you can do most of the things that you need to do. Now, let's see. This is where you can do your laundry. You better bring some coins because it's coin operated, but this is where you can do your laundry if you need to, and that's a nice clean area. So now we're going to walk outside. We're going to walk outside and see what they have out here. Okay, so you want a little bonfire? They had a little area. You can sit and you can heat that up, and you can have a nice little bonfire over here. And I thought I saw some grills. I think it's covered right here on the right hand side, but if you do want to grill, you can take those off and maybe make a grill. Now we're going to go into the pools and see what there's the pool hours, and there is a little hot tub spa area, and we'll show you that first. But look at all the cute seating areas. That was very nice. And you can see if you want to go into that right there. It looked pretty clean to me. It was raining or rainy, so we didn't go in. Otherwise, we might have taken a quick dip. And you can see the pool. The pool is not very big, but they do have some float things if you want to just lay and float in the pool. And it's a pool. And, you know, if you go to a hotel, you really want a pool. And even though it's not huge, it's good enough. So, you know, you can enjoy the pool and take time. I don't know if it was cold or not because I didn't go in. You can see it's 3.5 feet there. And again, here is the spa, and there is the hotel. So this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked that review. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. And watch all our videos on Florida. We even have one on the Tampa Bay Rays.